Let's build the picture everywhere. One little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point to the red piece. Put it on top. Put it on top. Now another puzzle piece. Let's make the drawing grow. A little shape of sunny yellow. Where will this one go? One little finger, tap, tap, tap. Point to the yellow piece. Put it on the side. Put it on the side. Look, a puzzle piece of blue. I'm drawing it just for you. Tap it gently, place it right. Watch the picture come to life. One little finger, tap, 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 tap. Point to the blue piece. Put it down low. Put it down low. Piece by piece we make a scene, bright and fun and super clean. Tap your finger, look and see. The puzzle's almost done with me. One more puzzle piece to go. Tap your finger nice and slow. Place it in its perfect spot. Wow, we finished up the lot. One little finger, tap, 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 tap. Point to the whole puzzle. We did